Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.2. So let's first start with the first subdivision, integral of x cubed plus 5x squared plus 4x plus 1, the whole thing divided by x squared dx. I'm going to break this into term-wise. So this will become integral x cubed by x squared plus 5x squared by x squared plus 4x by x squared plus 1 by x squared dx. Now it's easy to break into smaller integrations. So this will become just integral of x dx. This will be just integral of 5 dx plus integral of 4 by x dx plus integral of dx by x squared. I'm going to take all the common constants etc. outside. So this will become integral of x dx plus 5 into integral dx plus 4 into integral dx divided by x plus this is integral of, I'm writing it as x power minus 2 dx. Now let's actually perform the integration. So this is x squared by 2 plus 5x plus 4 into integral of dx by x is log x. So this is log x plus x to the power minus 2 on integration, it will become x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So if I have to rewrite, this is x squared by 2 plus 5x plus 4 log x minus 1 by x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. Integral of x cubed plus 3x plus 4, the whole thing divided by root x dx. Like in the first subdivision, I'm going to do term-wise division. So this will become x cubed divided by root x plus 3x divided by root x plus 4 divided by root x dx. So term-wise, if we simplify, this will become integral of 3x power 3 minus x power, this will become x power 3 divided by x power half, which means a power m divided by a power n, which is a power m minus n. So 3 minus half, this is going to be x to the power 5 by 2 dx plus this will be simply 3 root x because x divided by root x is root x dx plus integral of 4 divided by root x dx. Now I can simplify this as integral x to the power 5 by 2 dx. I'm taking the 3 out. So 3 into integral of root x dx plus 4 into integral of, I'm rewriting this as x power minus half dx. Now let's perform the actual integration. So this will become x power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus 3 into, this is x power half. So when I add to that, this will be x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 4 into, this will become x power half divided by half plus c. If I have to simplify, this will become 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So it will be just 2x to the power 3 by 2. This will become, this 2 goes stop. So 8 into root x plus c. In the next video, we will see how to solve the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.